Good night construction site. This is Excavators.
1, 2, 3.
One excavator arrives on site, ready to work and do it right. The team's counting on him today, so he'll get started right away.
Mom, it's almost dark.
I know, the sun's going down. He revs right up and digs right in. There's one foundation to begin. 2 with dump truck. It's a 2-truck crew. He will help excavator through and haul away what they don't need. This team has toughness, strength, and speed.
I can't lay on you.
Excavator lifts how many?
Oh!
You guys, hold on, it's okay. How many loads of sand does excavator lift? 3. Let's count.
1, 2, 3.
3 loads of sand and digs 4 trenches in the land. Who's gonna help me count?
1, 2, 3, 4.
5. Then excavator can begin to set some drainage piping in. He sets 5 pipes all in a row. Dump truck backfills, and off they go. Excavator lifts and twists around and quickly clears 6 gravel mounds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Excavator loves to dig, lift, run, but now he's having too much fun. Dump truck blows a few stern puffs. Get back on track now, friend, he huffs. Excavator jumps right into action, revs up the hill with super traction. He dumps 7 scoops in dump truck's bed, then rolls back down on sturdy tread. The 2 keep rocking all day long, lifting, hauling, quick and strong. They see 8 boulders, huge and gray. 1 lifts them and 1 hauls them away.
Oh, there's all something in my ear.
9. Big excavator stops, digs, rolls, and in a flash he's dug 9 holes.
Yep. Let's count.
Good idea.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good.
9. Let's count.
Hold on, let's count how many there's supposed to be. Giant piles, 10 in all lined up, all neat and tall.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
The sun has set, the workday ends. Everyone counts on these great friends at one awesome construction site. 2 trucks did their jobs just right. Their day is done. Goodbye. Good night.